Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to call add book to cart API in our React.js application. So let's get started. First, I'm going to make a few changes in the API of Node.js application. So as you can see, a cart route from the URL, we have to get book ID. So the variable name that we have book ID with a colon. After that, let me open here cart controller. As you can see, the function that we have post book to cart. So here let me initialize a variable with the name user ID, and we have to extract it from request.user.id. After that, I'm going to extract book ID from URL. So it will be a request.parents.book ID. Let me remove this line. Now after that, let me open here a customer service in our React.js application. Let me duplicate this function. So the function name that we have add book to cart. Inside the argument, it will get a book ID. Now inside this function, we have the try and the catch block. The catch block will catch an exception in case of API failing, and we have to throw an error. Now inside the try block, we have to call the endpoint from Node.js application, where a mapping that we have post the URL of the endpoint that we have /API/customer/cart/book ID. After calling the endpoint, we have to return the response. Now I'm going to call this function from customer dashboard component. Let me remove this box tag. Now here I'm going to add an icon button with the caption add to cart. As you can see, the button with the caption add to cart. On the click of this button, we are calling the function that we have handle add book to cart. Inside the argument of this function, we have to pass here a book ID. As you can see, the condition where we are checking the status. If a status is available, then we have to show this button. Let me import this button. With this, let me import this icon manually on the top. So as you can see, the import of a add shopping cart icon. Now after that, let me open here post book component. From this component, I'm going to copy this function that we have handle submit. Let me open here a customer dashboard component. Let me add after that. So first I'm going to update the function name that we have handle add book to cart. So it will be a async function. Inside the argument, it will get a book ID. Now inside this function, we have a try catch and the finally block. Let me remove this line. Now inside the try block, I'm going to call the function from a customer service that we have add book to cart. Inside the argument of this function, we have to pass here a book ID. We are saving the API response into this variable that we have response. After getting the response, we have to check the status. If the status 201, then we have to show a snack bar with the caption book added to cart successfully. After that, we have a catch block that for a catch exception. So inside the catch block, let me add here the if condition where we have to check error.response and error.response.status is equals to 409. Then we have to show a snack bar with the caption book already exists in cart. After the if, let me add here else where we have to show a snack bar with the caption getting error while adding book to cart. Now you can see the flow of a add book to cart endpoint. On the click of this button, we are calling the function that we have handle add book to cart. From this function, we are calling the function from a customer service that we have add book to cart, and this function will call the endpoint from Node.js application that we have add book to cart. Now let's navigate to the browser. As you can see, the button that we have add book to cart. Let's click on this. As you can see, the snack bar we got book already exists in cart. Let me add another book. Now as you can see, the snack bar we got book added to cart successfully. Let's add this book again. Now this time we got book already exists in cart. So that's all for now from my side. If you have any confusion, you can document. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.